Breastfeeding comes with a lot of questions, such as how can my partner support me while I'm breastfeeding? So I created a short with 6 tips that have worked for me and my partner. And it has resonated with thousands of you. Let's face it, dads cannot breastfeed, but that doesn't mean they can share the breastfeeding load. Here are 6 ways dads can support breastfeeding moms. Once the baby was born, my partner put all the knowledge our doula taught us to good use. He became my breastfeeding coach, helping me with latching and positioning, saving me from serious nipple pain, and also handling burping. Then there were the 4 a.m. pump sessions. After I'd finish, I'd go straight back to sleep while my partner handled storing the milk and cleaning the pump. Those extra minutes of sleep, lifesavers. We made a deal. I handle breastfeeding and he handles the dirty work. Literally, when he's around, I don't have to deal with the poop. And I love it because I'm a bit squeamish. Breastfeeding takes a lot of time, especially in those early months. My partner took on many household tasks like making smoothies and handling dinners. As our baby grew nighttime feeds, my partner stepped in for most night shifts. The best way to support a breastfeeding mom? Give her time for herself. If that means a glass of wine with friends, make it happen. And if you're wondering if pump and dump is really necessary, check the short on the science behind them.